Welcome back to Terra Gardens. Today we're embarking on a journey into the ethereal realm of Iceland poppies, where delicate petals and vibrant colors dance in the breeze, creating a garden spectacle. Iceland poppies hail from subpolar regions, including Iceland and Northern Europe. Their enchanting blooms have been cultivated for centuries, gracing gardens with a touch of elegance and a sense of transient beauty. Iceland poppies are renowned for their satiny cup-shaped flowers that come in an array of colors, including shades of orange, yellow, pink, and white. The delicate, almost translucent petals create a mesmerizing effect, and each bloom stands atop slender, wiry stems. These poppies possess a delicate fragrance that adds to their allure. Thriving in cool climates, Iceland poppies prefer well-drained soil and full sun. They are often grown as cool-season annuals in warmer regions. The ephemeral nature of these poppies adds to their charm, making them a delightful addition to spring gardens. Regular deadheading encourages prolonged blooming. Iceland poppies serve as enchanting companions in garden beds and borders. Their slender stems and vibrant blooms complement a variety of spring flowering bulbs and perennials. Consider planting them alongside tulips, daffodils, or other early season bloomers for a captivating display. Beyond their ornamental value, Iceland poppies are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to cut flower arrangements. The delicate blooms, when brought indoors, infuse spaces with a sense of fleeting beauty. These poppies also attract pollinators, contributing to a lively and thriving garden ecosystem. In conclusion, Iceland poppies stand as a symbol of elegance in the garden, gracing outdoor spaces with their delicate blooms and vibrant colors. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more garden content. Until next time, farewell and happy gardening.